In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zapier account password. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Zapier's homepage. You can easily find it by entering zapier.com in the address bar. When you've reached the homepage, you should see your dashboard. This is where all your zaps and integrations live. Next, look for your profile icon, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear where you can find the option labeled Settings. Click on that to move forward. Once you're in the Settings menu, take a look at the list on the left side. Here, you'll see an option called My Profile. Click on this, and it will take you to a page specifically for managing your profile details. Now, on your profile page, you'll find the option to change your password. Look for a button or link that says Change Password. This is an important step, so make sure you don't miss it. After you click on Change Password, you will need to verify your current password. This is a security measure to ensure that only you can make changes to your account. Enter your existing password in the required field. Once you've entered your current password, it's time to move on to the new password. Think carefully about what you want your new password to be, remembering to create something secure. Enter this new password in the designated field. But you're not done just yet. To ensure that you don't make any mistakes, you'll have to confirm your new password by typing it in again. Be mindful to type it exactly as you did the first time, including any uppercase or special characters. Now, the final step is to save all your changes. Look for a button that says Save Changes. Click on that, and your new password will be established. That's it. You've successfully changed your Zapier account password. If you ever need to change your password again in the future, just follow these same steps, and you will be back on track in no time. Thank you for following along with this video. Remember, keeping your passwords secure is crucial for maintaining the safety of your online accounts. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.